Hi guys, Chef Wainaina here. Today I'm making a very simple and delicious burger at home. All you need is some ground beef, cheese, bacon if you like, tomatoes, lettuce, and you come up with a delicious, simple burger. Let's go ahead and make a burger at home. And what I have here is some ground beef. So this is a pound of ground beef, which is 85%. So 85% means that 15% of this burger is fat. So fat is good for a burger. It makes it nice and moist. It prevents it from getting dry. So I'm going to cut these, about 2 halves, which is about 8 ounce. So which means I'm going to make 2 8-ounce hamburgers. I'm going to form my patties here first before I go any far. So this is already prepped. So you don't want to overwork burger mix. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it right here. So it's going to be a nice thick burger. I'll take the other part here. You can actually press this and make it a little bit wider. So you make it a little bit thinner. I'm going to do actually that is too thick. So take this off. Get this, spread it a little. Awesome. Always make sure that you work with clean hands, and just be aware that this is raw beef and we are also working with the raw vegetables. So you want it like just about that much. So this is way too thick. It's gonna be a little bit harder to cook. In restaurants, they have rings, perfect rings for making burgers. Or you can just use your hands, just pat it, and you got it. So this is going to shrink after it's cooked slightly. So there we have it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my hands. While this burger is still on the table, I'm going to season it, salt, pepper. I'm gonna use one of my hands here, turn it, both of them. Season, salt, always salt from up and high, so that you get the salt nicely spread instead of one stack of salt in one place. Move these ones to this small plate here, and then I'm going to wash my cutting board. So the rest of the ingredients for my burger, definitely I cannot have a burger without cheese. So what I have here is sharp Vermont white cheddar. And then I have here a double smoked bacon. And then I have a green leaf lettuce here. I'm going to use this. And then I have 1 tomato here, vine ripe tomato. I'll slice that. And then definitely the burger buns. I have 2 sesame top hamburger buns that are ready to go. And then I have my homemade, watch out for the video for this actually, bread and butter pickles. That will go on the hamburger. There's no burger, beautiful burger without the pickles, and this is going to lift the burger. So I'll definitely go ahead and make the lettuce here, the lettuce leaves. I just need 2 leaves, 2 good leaves here. That is good. I can save that for a salad. So for the tomato, I need like 2 slices or 4 slices. I'll do 4 thin cut slices. Boom. Awesome. I'll do the same way that we do in a restaurant. So you do a preset for this. So you do that. You can definitely take this stuff, fold it just slightly. Our burger set is ready to go. So to start cooking the burger, I've set up a griddle, sprayed some oil on it, and then have it very, very, very hot. I'll lay the burgers on it. They're gonna sear just like almost instantly. I'll leave those to cook for some time, and then meanwhile I'll add the bacon, have the bacon continue cooking as the burgers cook. So our bacon is nice and crispy here. I can definitely remove this, put it aside. So our burger has been searing for about 3 minutes. It's nice, it must be. So it's changing the colors on the side, so that means it's coming to temp in the middle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this. I'm looking for a nice medium. So another 4 minutes. So as you can see, you can definitely make your burger at home. This is exactly how they do it at the diners and even in a lot of restaurants. All you need is a skillet or a hot pan. Sear the burger, leave it alone, let it cook. I'll take off the bacon now. I'm going to pull those burgers aside just a little bit. Pull these. So I'm going to butter the burger buns. I have some butter here. So I'm going to put these onto the skillet. Leave them to toast. On one of the burgers, I'm going to add bacon. I'll add 2 slices of my cheese. Our buns are beautifully toasted, as you can see. I'm going to finish one burger, so the other one toasted. So I'm going to take this off. This is done. I'll put this on this pan here and just put it in the oven to melt the cheese. And this is done. So about 8 minutes, it's all set. So here we go. Our burger is, I have the cheese melting in the oven. So I'm going to do the setup. You actually don't need anything else on this. So all I have is my lettuce, tomato right there, all set up. Look at that. Our burger nicely, the cheese is nicely melted. All I'm going to do, put it on top right there. What I have here is my homemade bread and butter pickles. How appropriate is that? Bread and butter, and that's what we got right here. So put a few pieces here. Awesome. There you go. Put that aside. Lean this one over there. I have some nice crispy fries here that I have just fried. I have a video for the fries, how to make homemade French fries. Watch out for that video, and watch out for the video for the bread and butter pickles. Awesome. Nice pile right there. Fries and ketchup, you can never go wrong. So there you have it, beautiful burger with crispy fries. Look at that. Nice, beautiful medium burger. I'll give it a taste. So there you have it, guys. Homemade burger, simple, easy to make. Watch out for the recipes for this, for every single item of these. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.